The 100 folds in a chef's talk are said to represent 100 ways to cook an egg. Sleeping under a weighted blanket can help reduce anxiety and insomnia. Autoscopy is the experience in which an individual perceives the surrounding environment from a different perspective. It's like a point of view in a position outside of the body. A nap of 60 minutes improves alertness for up to 10 hours. Tom and Jerry were originally named Jasper and Jinx. For the first time ever, researchers have translated complex brainwaves into text. A man who has been unable to speak for over a decade could think of sentences and a computer would read and display them. Neil Harbison is the world's first cyborg artist. He has an antenna implanted in his skull that allows him to hear colors and see sounds. Nail biting has been associated with a better functioning immune system because of exposure to germs on a small scale that your body can build antibodies to. Robert Downey Jr. was paid $10 million for just 8 minutes of screen time in Spider-Man Homecoming. He made more than $1 million for every minute he appeared in the movie. A 1955 device to smoke a full pack of cigarettes at once. According to paranormal experts, ghosts only haunt you if you have invited the spirit yourself or if the spirit has some undone business and you are in its way. Chemical used in cigarettes. I was raised to treat the janitor with the same respect as the CEO, said by Tom Hardy. The person who invented the stop sign, zebra crossing, the traffic circle, the one-way street, the taxi stand, and the pedestrian safety footpath, William Phelps never learned how to drive. Professional fart smellers in China are trained to detect odors that could indicate health problems. According to them, a fart tells the health condition of a person. New York is building this U-shaped skyscraper. This is so big that a plane can easily go through it. Every 6 months, this man in South Dakota climbs this communication tower to change a light bulb. He is paid $20,000 per climb. The NASA of the United States has predicted that 12 Indian cities will be submerged up to 2.7 feet by 2109. If you are in the bathroom and you feel someone looking at you, you are not imagining. Bathrooms are the home of devils and ghosts. A company called Robots 3D created an AI robot that detects and repairs potholes and road cracks. This robot should really come to India. Meet the deadliest cat on the planet. Native to Southern Africa, the black-footed cat has a successful kill rate of 60%, making this fearless feline the most effective killer of the cat family. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.